on-time flight. Last year, over 90% of Ryanair flights landed on time, beating every other European airline. Ryanair, for the lowest fares and the best on-time record.
Ladies and gentlemen, we welcome you to London Stansted ahead of schedule on a good flight. Here is 11:15. At this time, we would ask you to please remain seated with your cabin luggage stored until the aircraft comes to complete stop. Be careful when opening the overhead lockers, as items of your carry-on luggage may fall out and cause injury. Please do not smoke until you reach designated smoking area outside the terminal building. For further information about check-in, car hire, travel insurance, hotel accommodation, and new routes from Glasgow Gatwick Airport, such as Malaga or Tenerife, visit our website at ryanair.com. Finally, on behalf of your captain, first officer, and the rest of the crew on board, this morning's flight, we'd like to thank you for choosing to fly with us. It's been a pleasure looking after you, so much on board. Thank you, and good afternoon.